era nga mukwano gwammwe omufanfe Joseph Tamale emirundi mutabani wa Mole n'amatovu wamu n'emirundi Yowana nkyali naye tuba tutunulira ensonga ya mutabani we ekifaananyi kiri mu kutrending eyo tugivuddeko tutunulidde ensonga ya kibuzaawo ekibula abantu
mubadde mwagala akiisinga embwa
abantu abadde bali mu kuwambibwa
mwagala akiisinga embwa
tukitegedde muzeeyi layini giyakutte era
oba akigale anti babeeramu
weewaawo mpozi katono nnyo muzeeyi Tamale njagala omwebuuzako ku nsonga ya munnamawulire veteran journalist Larry King yatuvudde ku maaso ku myaka 87 mukukunavu Joseph Tamale emirundi naye omu ku bannamawulire be tumanyi nti baludde mu kintu kino era nze omu ku abo abadde bazenga omusoma ku butabo bwe n'ebyo bintu byazenga ayogerako ng'awandiika tumanyi sirinzekka n'abala bangi era mufuna ekyokuyiga ky'amaanyi muzeeyi Tamale Larry King kikyomwogerako
naye mbadde njagala kugamba nti ku Christmas abasawo abaganda tebakola
ate lwaki
oli enkoko n'embuzi ayagala kugirisa abaana bo bakuyidi aduha nti agitwale omuzamize kati do you believe waliwo abuuza ebyetaka essaawa zino basanyuka baleese bakansala abapya baleese eki kakati ekyo ekya media njagala mbabuulire nti when you look at America nababuulire ne mbagamba nti omusajja gwe bayita Makooni yayiiya leediyo yali musajja mu Italy n'agenda ewa kabaka as the tradition was you have to announce your discovery invention kabaka wa Italy tekiraba mu magezi n'agenda e Bungereza Abangereza ne bamugamba nti kino kikola ku mmeeri the man went to USA by 1923 Macondo radios were produced massively and they had an impact on newspapers kyemukola hano mu Uganda okuleeta newspaper review ku maradio ate bo Abamerika bakitunuulya ba editors ne bagana empapula ku radio oziriviewing
lwaki
anti oli abayagawulidde
abateetagaga
ate bano basoma katemba ate basoma n'ebitaliimu you rather listen to a newspaper review than reading too. Reading means that you can read, you are literate. Listening is different. Nsobola okulya abanyankole nga boogera nyinza okulimu oddwogera many people boogera Oluswayiri abo ba security forces tell him to write it tebamanyi tuwandiika grammatically kakati ekyo tekiba kimu ekyokubiri Abamerika ne baleeta theory bagita libertarian theory. Libertarian theory says leave people to talk because the intellectuals will decide whether it is lies or not. Togala mawulire, togagana kwogera, tosensalinga, togala wo internet. People are free. Bajja kutegeera nti oyo yakola ki alimba. But libertarian theory only operates in societies that understand. Ti oyo atulimbye, oyo akoze eki. Kakati ekyokubiri constitution ya America yagana okuwera amawulire. Even in eya Uganda, you cannot ban a newspaper. The 1995 Act ekugamba bugambi ti an editor or manager of a media institute must be a graduate. Bwakudukako toddamu kufuluma. Naye constitution yagana okuwera olupapula lw'amawulire. Kanyamba ekijja mu America aliwo. Kakati mutunuulire nga tonnayogera ku Larry King. Mutunuulire ebintu ebyo bye mbagamba. I wrote a book, as usual, how to manage scientific elections. Ninduuza nti nakibawa nakabatonera na butonezi abenaali. Ninduuza nti banakatambulirako. Bali babbi basente. Mulimu ajoga abantu. Munanga nfuuka omukozi we. Nzi. Nti ngende wa Ddombo. Ngende wa Nabakoba. Ebirundi sabikola mutano wa mirundi. Jeno tafuuka palatoni kamanda. Era Nadduli naye yansajjudde. Yabe nti bwe kibanga full figure advisor. Bwe kibanga kusasira advisor. Bwe kibanga ono mulema yani. Buchaman advisor. I'm not going to renew my contract.
Nadulinga bwagamba.
Nadulibe yagambye. Nze nabiddukamu Kayola namudduka sibeerangayo ebyo nabigaana. Kagenti nabagamba nti scientific elections mean elections without rallies.
Wadde.
If you don't have rallies, NRM will be defeated. The biggest loser of NRM under the scientific elections, NRM, Nimbagamba. The only person who can defend NRM is Museveni. Museveni can defend NRM. But how can you expect me to go on radio and TV and defend TV ne radio sets ebitajja ku bilioni 6.5 nga banyampise swaga bazitutte ate bano tebakyasindika abanyankole bagamba nyampise ekiniga anya mu mpale ekiniga nti ng'osindika bano bose bwe bakola bano banyankole bapya bano banyampisa swaga sente nadduka nazo ye nagenda agula ebizimbe ewange nali mu department nanyampise swaga sente yatwala 5 billion embwe ne basula ku jirikiti sali nyayo anyampise swaga kagati nembaga ati you look two the scientific elections will help only those personalities who are known,
already established.
Era abamawulire bayiseemu abamawulire bapafuminze bulungi
mukwano gwa faji kazibe
bashir. Yes, waliwo nekiku almost bembeera nabo bonna. Why? These were known voices, these were known names on the media. Scientific elections. Nachipolitikiti. One of the reasons why these are casualties is because of Banna Uganda baagala nnyo okulya omubaka wa parliament ayogera. Parliament is for orators. Parliament is for eloquent speakers. This bakusirika busirisi. Njagala mbabuulire mutunulye image. Many people don't take certain things seriously. How come that Mbwate Kamu can move from one constituency to the other now Wangula?
Wamze tamali.
Atuchali kwecho Charlie King. Kakati nkugamba nti media in America ya njawulo. Society ya America believing mu media.
What about in Uganda?
Because the media is credible. Mchitunuli society z'abazungu awo. Waliwo mukyala nga bamuyita Kereya Short. Kereya Short yali minister for overseas development. Kali kawala katoboye kati. Era kanabyo yakagamba mbu obaka ayogera kinga kawana Museveni. Naka her brain is short as her name. Kereya Short yalekulira obwa minister bwa Bungereza. N'afuuka correspondence wa Bungereza. The minister Kereya Short, who wanted to arbitrate between Uganda and Rwanda at one stage, and he visited Kigali as a minister, went back to interview Kagame, President Kagame, as a BBC correspondent. There is more money and prestige in BBC in doing journalistic work. Ali go, bwe yali agala okubala sente, okubalya sente. What did he do? Ali go. Bill Gates yamugamba tunaabazenga computer zange nyoko yanazigula. Yagenda kubeera a former vice president of the United States of America. Yakola ku TV. It tells you Tibalale King temubere admire them, but their society and audience
enabled them.
Amawulire mu America.
Wembadenge nokubuliza
kasaka kugamba nti ogenda kugoba ogenda kugwa.
Mze awembanyala kubuliza ekibuzo mze tamale. Inti media in Uganda, is it recognized or not?
Anti kiri bwekiti. Yo media weri mu Uganda. Is it a media? A media must give a platform to the voiceless. A media at a maturity level must set the agenda. A media signs a covenant, an unwritten covenant with the masses. Babikola, where do you find a country where it is alleged, even if it is done by a madman, that is these southern Ugandans who were supposed to be taken to Arab countries ended up in New Delhi and their organ is extracted. Never. Because this is a conduit of mafiaism. They protect mafia interests, not the public interests.
So if it is not media, then what do we have? What do we have?
It's not media. Quasi media, quasi, tukita quasi, or a misnomer, something that appears to be, when it is not.
But you're operating in the same environment.
Until we must overhaul. We are going to put it a new vision. Kanagi Silekuri by no Kuvam. Kanagi Silekuri by Jim to get a media. Agakani, I know governor, nobody more about money. A media must protect the ordinary
image of the country.
Yes. Agenda setting. What is the most important item now? What do we do? The media now would be involved in healing the country. If you have a credible media, you don't have a credible media. There's no media here.
This is a very personal question.
Especially the print media.
Almost.
It's not a media, it's a misnomer.
Players or stakeholders in the media. Tuina Uganda Media Council, tuina UCC, Uganda and ICT. Let me say for those. But really, bifananye bigenda maso webifuluma ensi to Uganda. Isn't tourism affected? Isn't our country bleeding?
No, you see.
And players, what are they doing?
Auntie Kankuboli, Kakati Emia mentioned that the people get their organs extracted. Nebazitwala. Who will sleep with their hotels? I heard one of the people who are owning hotels in their meeting saying, my hotels have been deserted. But when, for instance, binibifaananyi byonna bwe ne bamukubya emiggo bakola batya giwa effort kubiwa abazungu. Besigye yalina enkola nga bwe bakuba abainaaleeni yakubako emmotoka za takisi 40 twanoonya ebifaananyi nga tebiriiyo. Besigye yabigulirangawo. He knew the damage. The media in Uganda does not know the damage. Media in Uganda yerowooza like a peasant. Banzibyeko poloti yange nekyapa ky'ettaka kankiba. This is your country. Is your country. A media can sit down. Feneka Kande twali to reporting Human Rights Commission. Kakati judge yali akulira Human Rights Commission yali ava mu Northern Uganda nga bamuyita Oda. Ng'otwala oli mu Northern Uganda Lubinyo n'avaayo n'akola interview n'agamba the evidence I've seen in Northern Uganda Zelangi indicates that NRA is involved in killing people. Kakanda achibuuza Museveni. Your Excellency, the chairman of the Electoral Commission claims that he has credible evidence that NRA is involved in killing people. President Nanyiga. Who? The chairman of the Electoral Commission. Which commission? Who? Mr. Justice Order. He is financing the rebel activities. He must be arrested.
What happened? As we summarize.
Twatula n'abamawulire. It was not mentioned anywhere. He sat as General Salo said. The president was annoyed. He couldn't believe that a judge he appointed. You see, that's where religious leaders lose. If you get such information, seek audience with the president. The only problem is that the president is not seen. The president is mocking it, is solid. One time, Nadembagam, Tinayogera, National Wanga for 5 hours. And if I mention it, I sat with Rwanga in his office for 5 hours. We talked about a number of issues. One of his disappointments, Cardinal Subuga used to have a hotline which he does not have. Yes, a religious leader must have a hotline to the president. The president yaita Cardinal Wamala. Nakalimanga yeta bimanyi. Wamala naga nze n'emirimu egyennali seyongezi. Nga Nakalimanga agambye Wamala nti ali busy. Where did Nakalima do diplomacy?
Tugenda kubanga tetusukka wane nakadde katutwalire.
Oyo.
Nejo bakasanti
mu yali president yali badde senior diplomat. Senior diplomat.
Mwebale kutambula naffe.
No regional balance.
Leero Mzee Tamale bw'otandika comments ezisinga okuyika ku Facebook buli omu ayagala obawe comment ku nsonga ya mutabani wo Tamale Junior ali involved era sawa zino yatunda ku mitimbagano.
Kali mubadde mwanga kyembabuuza.
Yabadde mu studio
mwe mubadde mu mwagala akisi neda kyembuuze nekeki one mubadde mwagala akisinga embuzi.
So it's okay for you?
No, what do you think? Why has he defiled somebody?
Would he be fine singa kwetera omukyala ngo
donzera? Is he talking about marriage? Is he talking about marriage? Oba yakisi ata mukubidde ku machana ngamba daddy this is primitivity. This is peking. The Americans call it peking. Did you see my tongue inside the woman's mouth? Take. Mwagala be, mubadde mwagala omwana nga be. Anidde ekigala mumbulize. Mubadde mwagala omwana nga afuuke mubbi. Is not a thief.
Wamugana ogenda mu struggle ya Bobi Wine. Kati eno
jagenda ye yagalidde. Kakati kyenkubuuza. Akatu chigale tuchigale kakati abo babeeramu bagala ki anti bagala ki tuchigale teeka munde eyo kakati bateeka yo kibabeeramu. Have you seen Dr. Mirundi? With the Mirundi doctors conducting himself ono kansa ali mu parliament ya
bikola. But ye mwana omwa abantu badaso tunulira nga bamulaba nti ayinza okudda mu bigere ebyo ndala okuwanga. He's very knowledgeable. Bochida mu nsonga za politics is very knowledgeable.
Eriyo council ba council bali abo mutani wange ali mu parliament ya drafting amateeka Mirundi abantu basinga obuyiti bayinza nkanti mwana wa very polished. Waliwo omulala president yemutwala Scotland n'asoma amafuta yasoma amafuta oirolo Mirundi
nekati ono
omulyako mu ebyo 2 medical doctors ba Mirundi obawulya mu ebyo
kati wajina
banyina ono oli yasoma psychology no nasoma psychology. Have you seen my nganaba konva bali bwebati?
Are you not losing credibility as a parent?
Bagirikali kyasiwe balinze nsomesa mu peya bakonda kitinga ngoyo huyo yagenda wa Bobi Wine eribe bidongo byabwe byali mu
kwekisinga bamutulira ngo omuntu ayinza okudda mu bigerebe naddala mu kwanalizinga ensonga z'ebyobufuzi twamukyazaako ono juze nayenga omutwana yagukubako
oyo bwafaanana n'abo baalimu katukigale ali mu batukigale ali mu bateeka mu ndeeyo gondi ani abalala bagikoona gyozalawo abalala bagikoona abalala kwe bafiira kakati nzenyinza okwewunya oyo. Am I surprised?
Are you not losing credibility?
Why? Which credibility? Has he defiled the person? Has he stolen money? Eyo gye baagala oyo omusota gufaana we baaguzaala ali mu babbobi bebo bennyini tukigale mukigale agala ki amubuuze oyo agala ki kiki kyaggala ye group yaabwe.
So you deal with it.
I would be surprised if somebody rings me and tells me that this Mirundi, this man in the parliament, Council Mirundi, has conducted himself that way. I'll be surprised if one of the doctors, the Dr. Mirundis, have conducted a raping Babatenda Buntu Bulam. I would be surprised if the Mirundi, whom Museveni sponsored to Scotland to study oil law, as he conducted himself like that, I would be surprised if any of my daughters, Abasom, one is an agriculturalist, is in Rakai, Yakole Jotira. There are many Mirundis. Oyafana Nabu.
And
Abafana and Ambuziza, Bugwaboke, the tobacco, Congo, Kisiko Mukazi. Oh, you. So Katemuli, oh, you Abafana now. Not even dinner surprised, Dingatari Muevio. If you have a fun, Yakole in Baga.
As you have invested a lot, Mubadia.
No,
what the future holds
for you have a fun now. Yakole in Baga and Badi Black.
Never to have you.
Bushmay Pat. Mukuruang in the Shag and I, again, in Mukuruang, Mukuruang, Avana, Bamida cost of the sport, Bobam Gantins and Dimukam. Young man to whiskey with but they were Nimga as a Jew. Me, I do that train. I do that thing. Kati oyo watu wafana afana group
Bulaka.
Let him steal money.
Shiba.
Let him defy the person. Let him fight. I will shoot him. Neyebyo kubera mwebyo Casanova simenyi Casanova byafanana aliwa Bobi Wine
omusayine
wakati Bobi Wine naliye wunyiza nyoga takisinga bakati yakisinja mukadde akisinja wa kukyalo era akisinja bo baberamu. You tell me the other Mirundis. Yes, man.
So don't you feel to man of neglecting
Council Mirundi abadde mu parliament emyaka 10 yabadwa fitingira mateka mu parliament. Babuza baka ba parliament. Some of them don't know him.
Wow. I feel a
but
bit
I was humiliated. Katusubwe mubogolera. Obogolera mwana wana. How long does it take somebody ka musajja soma amateka ina masters ngakatusa mubogolera? Sit down utusa. I was offended. Nemuga vayo. Mbanti bajaje bwe bakolo. You are shouting at who? Kakati nzo yo. Byebyo byafanana. Wano gondi nze ngenda nembewunya. Oba yali yani ministani nga muwalawe agenze mu mpaka z'abannalungi. Kati nze ntule ntene mukazi wange omwana waffe najjira mu nikambu kati woko. Ate n'asanyuka nnyo nga naye atudde muwalawe ne yeebamba byammwe. Nze njagala adifairinga omukazi alwanire mu bbaala ajje yekalakase mugundi nabimuganda. Naye byokisinga abakazi byebyo abera ne babadi Black simanyi ba Sheba simanyi ba eyo gurupu mwafananira ddala afanana gurupu ye katukigale mukibaggala ki kati kike baggala teeka mundeeyo kati munda wa mukabadamu ki.
But in my advice would be mzaitamalo mwana wako ngeri jomujja mu life
muki
because to me
byafanana kati
you are losing the credibility as a parent.
Nedda ese tuuka ekiseera ng'abo beeyagala. We choose a leader. Yewawe eyo yafaanana. You tell me has he conned anybody?
But
no.
You
tell me has he stolen the money from anybody? No. You tell me has he failed to pay for his beer bills? No. Kati oyo yafaanana abafaanana.
Kati mzee tamale kampo information.
Kakishinga abakazi akishinge n'abakadde akishinge n'enjuma. But let him become a homosexual. Singa yakishinze musajja munne. I shoot him. alimu babadi Bulaka alimu basheba alimu bani abeyambula ngongamba kati
nchewunyamba nti okay with it na ikanko information finga babadi amugobera ngatamale mirundi junior tulabyeko interviews zako zenjawulo ensi emulaba mu kifaananyi nti ayinza okujja mu bigere byo.
There are many.
Because togenda kubera even after 30 years you may not be present. Bamulaba ngo omwana gone charize ayinza okujja ku TV wala na nyonyole ensonga bezigenda maso mu ggwanga naye ate ekifaananyi ky'omusindika si kye bamulaba
mu family affairs ensinga mu obwavu. But people believe family affairs abantu ba diplomats. One of my elder brothers works with the UN. Very diplomat. But I don't know about my family ambassadors. These are diplomats. Me, I'm not a diplomat because of my socialization. Because of my socialization. We take it from Sadia Gobanga Motoka to Ndama, Peter Wakuzan. Where you want to talk about the young? I'm going to
What way you are?
That then I almost studied. Goloza nti family ya feri hape.
Pastor Ronnie Mutebe tokomanya yakola ku Radio 1. Yangambye nkubuuze naye nyonde yo tekuzitowerera.
Nzitowerera kino gimanyire njo buteremera masanga gayo. Kakati nze njagala umbuulire.